Okay, I think I got a little bit too excited during that last video, so I'm gonna need to take a breath, relax, slow down. Fortunately, this is a nice topic. It ties in with the last one about identifying functions or things that are not a function. So we're going to identify functions, but we're going to use what's called the vertical line test, and I'm going to sneeze. Woo! Okay, here's how the vertical line test works. It's really basic. Draw a vertical line. And vertical means up and down. Vertical, let's put a little picture there. Pictures are good. If the line touches two or more points, then not a function. There we go. Draw a vertical line. If it touches two or more points, then that picture is not a function. Here it goes. See this little squirrely thing? Watch this. I'm going to draw a vertical line. See that vertical line? Look how many points it touched. It touched right there, it touched right there, and it touched right there. Draw a vertical line. If it touches two or more points, then it's not a function. This is not a function. Now, let's take a look kind of why, because if I look at these points, this is -1, 1, and this point is -1, 1.5, maybe -1. And based off of the last lesson, we know this isn't a function. I put in a -1 and out comes a 1. That's great. But now I put in a -1 and out comes a -1.5 and I'm freaking out. This is a machine. Imagine a machine. I put in a piece of aluminum and out comes a can. And that's your job. That's what you're supposed to be doing. Put in aluminum, make cans. Suddenly you put in a piece of aluminum and out comes aluminum foil. Whoa! That's a crazy machine. What kind of machine makes cans and aluminum foil? Nothing. So this is not a function. You know, I'm going to go back to this one. When you draw that vertical line, you need to look for a point, though. Go across it and look for a point where you might hit two points. Does that make sense? Look for that area. Don't just draw your line right here. Right, don't do this and go, oh, look, it only hits 1 point. It's a function. No, no. You've got to go and look for the area where it's going to hit 2 or more times. Okay, let's draw some vertical lines. Yeah? What about right here, huh? Right there? 1 point. We're good so far. What about right here? How many points is it really hitting? The closed circle is a point. The open circle isn't actually a point. It's really, really close to it, but that's not, the open point is not a solution. So this is a function, yes. I'm looking, is it good here? Yeah, it hits 1 point, doesn't hit a point. Here, hits a point, doesn't hit a point. That's a function. How about this guy? Oh, vertical line. 1 point, 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 1 point all the way across? Yes, this is a function. All right. Junction, junction, what's your... I should find that song and play it maybe on the next video. Okay, bye.